Hello guys, today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about body-worn cameras used by all police forces in England. There's a lot to talk about with these. And one thing I wanted to say is you have to, by law, okay, you have to by law be told that police are recording you. Okay, so let me just say that again. By law, you have to be told if a police officer is recording you. Okay, also police officers have to wear their numbers on their shoulder. It used to be around the collar, called collar numbers, but now it's a shoulder number. They must be wearing them with their uniform at all times and must be given to any member of the public upon request. So let's look into the legislation of body-worn cameras. Under data protection legislation, officers must inform people that they are being filmed and will do so unless the situation means it's not possible. So basically, if an officer switches on his camera and he's in a fight immediately, he won't be able to tell you that he's recording. But if the officer is just talking to you, he or she must tell you they're recording. Otherwise, you'll know you're being recorded when the camera has a flashing red light in the center of it, okay? But officers must inform people that they are being filmed. Officers don't have to have your consent to be filmed, okay? So it's the same as anybody in a public place. You can film anything in a public place. Footage is recorded onto an internal camera. The cameras have no ability to delete or edit the footage. Well, we know that's not the case because personally I've been to court a number of times and been found not guilty because there's been no footage because it's been accidentally, in quotes, deleted. When an officer docks their camera to charge the battery, the footage is automatically uploaded to secure servers. That's like the iCloud. Recordings that aren't categorized as required for evidence at court or in legal proceedings will automatically be deleted after 31 days. Okay? Now, it's very, very important that people realize if a police officer comes up to you, even if they're talking nice to you, they are still recording you, and you must be told. Because you could say something on that camera that could get you into trouble without even knowing. Okay? If an officer does not tell you he's recording, it becomes a covert recording, which is against the law and against RIPA, R-I-P-A, which is an indictable offence. RIPA, or Regulations of Investigatory Powers Act 2000. Once police film us, we have the right to request that footage under the Data Protection Act. So, you get their collar number, and then you put in a Freedom of Information request, which is an FOI, to the police, and by law they have to release that footage to you. You can then do anything you want with that footage, put it on YouTube, anything. If police officers don't tell us they're recording, it becomes a covert. So if they're recording and they tell you it's an overt recording, which is legal, if they don't tell you that they're recording, it becomes a covert. and that is against the law. So under the law, police officers are GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, data handlers. You are the data individual, they are the data handlers, so they have to tell you that they're recording. Always remember though, guys, you might think police officers are nice people. You might think they've got the best intentions, but I was once told by an inspector that they have a score sheet, okay, that they compete with each other, okay, which basically means they will go out and they will arrest or victimize as many people as they can to get a charge, and then when they go back to the office or the station, they will basically say, how many did you get today? How many did you arrest today? How many did you charge today? So remember, speaking to a police officer in uniform is never a good idea, okay? Oh, and also remember, they're filming you, so you are absolutely allowed to film them. If they don't give you their shoulder number, if they don't tell you that they're recording, they are breaking the law. Thank you.